make sure it was actually on the menu.
We are.
What about the chicken salad?
That's gonna fall. That's good. Down.
You need do you guys want an appetizer?
Anyways, we're here at Weber Grill. Here's the features. I'm getting the
Crab and corn beignets. Those sound good.
steakhouse burger with a side of fries. I want a Diet Coke.
What? Is this French?
I'm gonna do the bacon burger.
So trying to make it sound good. That's what fruits something good sound French, but that's American.
Huh?
Sauce American.
The other side.
American
Where
sauce.
are they? It's probably in the kitchen.
That's definitely tomato.
In the kitchen.
No, but what's the pop menu?
It's always like ketchup with
Let's
mayonnaise.
see.
They pop. No worries.
Well, it's not a donor, so all you gotta do is ask if they have Coke or Pepsi, right? Maybe they have Coke with Pepsi.
Extraordinary taste. So hopefully it's really good Weber Grill.
That breaks the system. That breaks your system. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get the bacon burger. Yeah.
Specifically because those steaks are a little bit weird.
Here's the food. That's the skewer. That's a beignet crab. Nicely cooked, all the way cooked.
Good. Very good. What is this under?
Well, the hush puppy.
I'm vegetables.
Hey, we're gonna pick
Big one.
Did you get a picture of the food? Yeah, I did. Send it. Okay, it's not the best photo.
Oh, damn it. I didn't either. We all just started grabbing it.
There's. Oh, thank you. Jenny, there's a straw.
Nice.
Get another order.
Okay, here's my food.
Weber Grill Saturday.
A box. Boom. A back one. Boom.
That's my birthday. What day is it? Here's my cake. Good.
It's like nothing.
Thank you guys for taking me.
I don't like the M&Ms. Why'd you add that? Vinny, please cover your mouth.
I did. Not recording.
I'm not.
Oh my god, that's so rude. I did. Oh my god, that's so mean. I never went to a restaurant on my birthday. I haven't.
Roger. Roger. Family Guy.
Sakisha.
Roger the alien.
No, she got my forehead big.
He's not that next to that.
Roger.
American Dad.
With that picture.
Oh.
Kevin Hart was on the same field. I love Kevin Hart.
Okay, guys, get ready to film my
Oh,
birthday.
you're so extra.
Okay, you were gonna say our grandma was today. My arm. 'Cause I'm too strong. Cool, cool. Oh, well, that's smart.
We're way too tall. I don't know. I don't get it. I'm going to be Vinny's birthday, but I just got this
That last slow motion. February 15th. What is this guy doing? It's a video. Wait. No. Delete. How dare you?
What you doing?
Don't delete a picture of me.
I can scoop to be coming on shortly. Hey, Frank, can we get the check, please? Check this.
Can we all take it?
That's for that.
Yeah, but I wanted to go cup. Am I safe?
And also.
Yes, there is.
Was Kylie Jenner open or something? Because they're showing her at all the opening locations. Do the Kardashians own this? Would I just support the Kardashians?
I put your cake in there, Billy.
Oh, they made the drink.
Because now look at Kylie's at like every single one owns it.
We did check out with me. Check out right now for radio.
He wanted to know, can he have a shake to go? And that's what he's gonna get a to go. His to go cup.
Yeah. I don't think that's the good.
No,
What,
no,
the
he
to-go
wants to
cup?
know, can
Oh,
he?
my fault. I'm sorry. I thought they wanted a new shake to go.
No.
That's what I want you to use your new wallet.
Yeah, bust that wallet out, big gal.
Alright, thanks for coming. I'll get you to go pick one. Alright, thanks. What? I want to make sure.
Charlotte's starting to get here with 20% gratuities and put it in the bill.
Okay. I want to make sure the guy gets too. Is that okay? What would happen? Strawberry.
Well, yeah, but now you have it back.
What? What?
Thing.
Good job, son.
must be the coolest guy at school.
You must be.
You must be the coolest guy at school. You do that when you walk in the cafeteria.
Je fais ça
All
dans
the
ma classe.
ladies must want you.
C'est mon prof, il a dit de pas faire ça. J'étais dans la bibliothèque. Il a dit c'est pas bien.
Teacher is a such person.
Louis today told me Preston is a G-word.
What?
I feel like
What's that mean?
that he's a little more on the hood side.
Ah. Ça c'est ta
Not a
faute.
normal wife.
Ta faute.
I wanted my kids to be inculturated.
Vinny.
Then you stick that in your cup, bro.
Not anymore.
Put it in there.
Really? No, you don't have to.
Oh!
Put it
La
in there.
It's straw.
It's not strong.
It's not a straw?
This.
Riley, I want to hear about
That's it.
how Preston after his girlfriend.
Maman, même serviette?
He didn't.
What, you didn't bring napkins?
He was too scared to.
Oh non, j'ai pas emporté.
No, you forgot.
So wait, you asked him? No. Well, came to my work, like after, and
Then
he parked like right next to my car. Oh, guys, and then I opened the door, and there was like flowers, there was like chocolates. So I'm like, what's this for? He's like, nothing. I just wanted to. I'm like, what's this for? Do you have anything to ask me? He's like, no. Hey.
we have a song for you guys. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I'm 13 years old.
Love it.
Yeah, don't blow. Probably not blow it.
I wanted it to be a dragon.
Oh, too late.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Ben on l'a pas fait maintenant.